Here we are unboxing the Electro Tornado L-Drago from Electro Spark Battlers with Extreme Tap System, and it's got Spark FX with light up battle action. Exciting. So, like I said, we were going to do outside videos. This is the first of the outside videos and unboxings and stuff. Now it's all fancy with some houses in the back and some cities. So it's got the L-Drago symbol on it, as you can see, and L-Drago card and a basic left launcher, and it has 3 non-replaceable batteries in it. So once it dies, it dies. And it's an Electro Spark Battler, like I said. The back of it, it has a Electro Tornado L-Drago flashing light effects, or FX, when battlers collide. When these bays collide. Either way, you can look for other Tornado Battlers, each sold separately. You can get 2 Tornado Pegasus and 2 Tornado L-Drago, and it creates a flashing ground effects in stadium. The stadium is not included in the small packaging. I wonder why. Here you go. It says on the side, WBBA, Hasbro, boring stuff. Battle online if you have no life. Okay. And it ripped terribly. Come on, packaging. There we go. This is the first Beyblade that I've got in this month, considering the month is almost over. It's exciting. There's the code. There's some other stuff. Come on. There we go. Launcher, ripcord, boringness. Instructions on how to launch a Beyblade. And here it is. Doesn't light up. There's little lights underneath the bottom of it. Those 2 little things show the lights, and whenever they hit in the stadium, it's going to light up. So it's pretty cool, so watch out for a battle with it. Thanks for watching.